For ages, the dog has been man's best friend. We want to introduce you to man's new best friend. Meet Chip. Chip is a robotic dog that's much more than just a cool gadget. Chip is an interactive pet that's there to greet you at the door. With a smart band, Chip recognizes who his owner is.
Hey, have you seen my other slipper? Have you seen my other slipper?
And shows affection to them when near. Chip is obedient and can follow commands. But he also learns new things, so you can teach him tricks. Because when you're in need, no matter it big or small, he's there for you. With his beacon sense technology, Chip is fully aware of his surroundings.
Seriously, no one's seen it? This is like the 5th time.
He even knows how to return to his bed when it's time for a charge, so he never runs out of energy. Chip is a smart device. Chip is a robot. Chip is a dog. But most importantly, Chip is a friend. The best kind.
Echo is a revolutionary new audio device that enables your existing headphones or speakers to receive wireless, hi-fi audio from any source. Each user simply takes a battery-powered sound puck from the base station and plugs in any pair of headphones. The result? Instant, hi-fi quality wireless audio for the whole family.
Most wireless headphone systems are bulky and expensive, and often designed for only one user. We designed Echo because we believe everyone should be able to use their headphones or speakers to enjoy a phenomenal wireless listening experience. Echo is specifically designed to accommodate multiple users. Up to 4 or more can listen together at the same time. Its built-in Wi-Fi technology delivers high-quality, ultra-low latency sound for a real-time.
In-house team has prototyped a working proof of concept, created an elegant, beautiful industrial design, and laid out a development roadmap for finishing a consumer-ready device. We've teamed up with world-class designers and engineers, and lined up suppliers and manufacturing partners capable of producing Echo to our high standards.
The Ultrasona is an ultra-portable device that uses ultrasound technology to clean almost anything in ways never before possible. We built the Ultrasona for travelers cleaning on the go without breaking the bank, moms and dads trying to clean for those who can't clean for themselves, and for those just looking for a better way to clean clothing, fruits, veggies, jewelry, and hundreds of other things. At 50,000 ultrasonic vibrations per second, you can actually see the dirt lifting off the clothes, jewelry, food, and more. The Ultrasona cleans deeper, more thoroughly, and more effectively than anything else in your house. Here's how it works. Ultrasona generates microscopic ultrasonic sound waves that create high-pressure bubbles in the water that collapse and dislodge contaminants from surfaces at the microscopic level. That's right, it literally uses sound waves to eliminate dirt, grime, oil, and bacteria from virtually anything. Washer and washing machine. Not only does Ultrasona use 40 times less water than washing machines, it also requires 15 times less energy to run, and it doesn't need hot water, one of the main carbon producers in homes. Ultrasona can reduce your water waste by thousands of gallons and carbon footprint by hundreds of pounds per year. Clean better, smarter, greener, and faster with Ultrasona. It's the best way to clean just about anything.
Dive into a new communication experience. Express yourself with Pix, the first smart animated backpack that illuminates your flow and reveals it to the world. How does it work? You control it through your smartphone. Simply download the app and connect it to the backpack. Enjoy dozens of pictures and cartoons available in the app. Choose your favorite one and it appears on the backpack. Express your creativity. Create your own art and share it. It can be either a picture or a cartoon. The only limit is your imagination. Use the Pix app to personalize your backpack as much as you like. It's easy and fun. Communicate with the world around you. Share something you care about. Your moods and feelings, what you're up to, your favorite music, anything you like. How about interactive features like notifications and widgets? Let your Pix backpack help you in everyday life. After all, the Pix is still a backpack for your stuff. It's designed to be roomy, convenient, and stylish, and has enough compartments to carry everything you need. Highlight your personality with Pix.